So, highest common factor and lowest common multiple. Hit pause, copy the lesson objective down. When you're ready, hit play again, and we'll move on to the starter. Okay, so here's our starter. Hit pause, have a go at all the questions. When you're ready, hit play again, and we'll go through them. Okay, question 1. Pick out one number that fits into each description. So we just want one number. A multiple of, it's got to be out of these 5 numbers we've got here. Multiple of 25. So what does 25 go into? What's in the 25 times table? 75. A factor of 45. So a number that goes into 45 exactly. It's going to be 9, because 9 5s are 45. Multiple of 2, so a number in the 2 times table, so it's got to be an even number, 20. A factor of 24, so a number that goes into 24. It's got to be smaller than 24. 6. And a square number. That's our 49 there. We used all the numbers? Yes, we have. Good. Question 2. Write a list of all the factors of each number. So we want to have all the factors of each number here. I'm going to draw a quick factor spider. 1 goes in all the time, 1 and 15. 2 doesn't go, 3 does, 5 times. So we got 1, 3, 5 and 15. On this one, another quick factor spider. 1 goes 21 times. 2 doesn't go, but 2 add 1 is 3, so 3 goes 7 times, and we've got them all then. So we got 1, 3, 7 and 21. For 20, happy factor spider, got 1 and 20. 2 goes 10 times. 3 doesn't go, but 4 does 5 times. So we got them all there. Let's write it here. We got 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. So hopefully you got all of those, quite a lot in that one. And finally 18. Happy factor spider. Got 1 and 18, because 1 is the factor of all numbers and itself. 2 goes 9 times. 3 goes as well, because 1 and 8 is 9, so 3 goes in there 6 times. 4 doesn't go, nor 5, and we're back to 6, which we've got already. So our factors of 18, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Hopefully you got all those factors. Using the factor spider, it gets us the pairs and makes sure we go through them in order so we get all of them. So the factor spider is key. Multiples of 4. So numbers in the 4 times table. Well, I know that one is 12. 4 doesn't go into 66, because 4 into 6 is 1, remainder 2, and doesn't go into 26, so not that one. 134. No, because 4 goes into 13 3 times, remainder 1, and 4 doesn't go into 14. Ooh, 144. Let's just check that one. 4 goes into 14 3 times, remainder 2, and into 24 6 times, so exact number, no remainder, so that's a multiple. 82, no, because 4 goes into 8 2 times, it will leave a remainder. Into 70, again no, because 4 goes into 7 1 time, remainder 3, and into 30 doesn't go exactly. Ooh, 76, let's check. 4 goes into 7 1 time, remainder 3, and it's 36 9, so we got another factor. 900, check. 4 goes into 9 2 times, remainder 1. 4 goes into 10 2 times, remainder 2, and 4 into 20 is 5 times, so exact number. So we got that one as well. Ooh, let's tick the 12, because that's one of them. And then 748, let's just check. 4 goes here 1, remainder 3, into 34 8 times, remainder 2, and into 28 7 times. So we've got another one there. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 multiples. Some of them are quite large. Leap years are always multiples of 4, so it's a good way of checking. So we just need to divide these numbers by 4 and see which one 4 goes into without remainder. Let's just check on the first one. 4 into 1 doesn't go. 4 into 19 though. How many times is that? 4 4s are 16, so 4 carry the 3. 4 into 35. 4 times 8 is 32, so we got an 8 here. Carry 3, and then 4 into 36 is 9. So 1956 is a leap year, as is 1984, not 1982. Got a remainder there. Goes into 2000, not into 2006, goes into 2008, and not into 2014. Okay, so I want you to make corrections and then rag your work and then leave a comment. And now we'll move on to the highest common factor. So the highest common factor is the biggest number that goes into the numbers in question, so the numbers we're looking at. Let's have a look at a quick example. So it says find the highest common factor of 12 and 18. So we want to find the highest common factors of 12 and 18. So what we do is, as we have been doing before, we use our factor spiders. So we've got a 12 here. Let's do a quick factor spider of 12. And we've got 1 and 12. We check if 2 goes into 12, and it does, 6 times. 3 goes 4 times, and those are our factors then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. And then we do the same thing for 18. Find the factors of 18. 1 goes times 18, because 1 goes into everything. 2 goes 9 times. 3 goes 6 times. 4 doesn't go, neither does 5, so we've got all our factors here. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. And now we're looking for the highest number. If we list them, there we go, and factors of 18. So we're looking for the highest number that goes into both of them. And the highest number that's common to both of them is 6. So the highest common factor of 12 and 18 is 6. Okay, good. Let's have a look at another example. Highest common factors of 12 and 8 and 15 this time. Now we found the highest common factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. We need the highest common factors of 15. Let's just do a quick factor spider over here so we can see. There he is. A happy factor spider. Got 1 and 15. 2 doesn't go because it's not an even number. 3 does, because if you add 1 and 5 you get 6, which is in the 3 times table. 3 goes 5 times. 4 doesn't go when we're back to 5. So the factors we got 1, 3, 5, and 15. You can list them there. So we're looking for the highest number that's common to both. Highest factor. And in this case it is 3. So 3 is the highest common factor of 12 and 15. Okay, what I want you to do is to have a go at this one, 20 and 30. Have a go now. So hit pause, have a go, and then we'll go through it together. Okay, so we've got our 20. Let's look for the factors of 20. 1 always goes 20 times. 2 goes, it's an even number, 10 times. 3 doesn't go, but 4 does, 5 times. So we've got 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. And then we check our 30, 1 and 30. Oops, like that. Even number again, so 2 goes 15 times. 3 goes 10 times. 4 doesn't go, but 5 does, 6 times. So if I list them down here, 1, 2, let's put 20 and then 30. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. So we're looking for what number is the highest. Let's just put them here. And what's the highest number that goes into both of them? It is 10. So we say the highest common factor of 20 and 30 is 10. Okay. So what I want you to do is copy this page down. We've got 2 examples here. So copy this into your books. Okay. And hopefully you've already got number 2 because you've done that. So you only need to copy number 1 then. When you're ready, we're going to look at the lowest common multiple. Multiples. Okay. Numbers that appear in the times tables. Lowest common multiple is the smallest number in both of the times tables. Okay, so let's have a look then. Find the lowest common multiple of 3 and 9. So our 3 times table is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and so on. We need to list our 9 times table next. So our 9 times table is 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54 and so on. So we're looking for the smallest number that's in both of those times tables. Okay. So if I start with the 9, the 9 is common to both. So our lowest common multiple is 9 because 9 appears in both the times tables. Okay. Right. Let's try another example. Find the lowest common multiple of 5 and 7. Okay. So we put our 5 times table, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And we list our 7 times table. This is good for remembering a times table. 7, then is it 14, then 21, 28, 35, 42, and so on. And we're looking for the smallest number in both of those times tables. Okay. And I've got 7 doesn't appear there, nor does 14. 21, no. 28, no. But 35 does. It's in both of them. So I'm using the larger times table to check in the smaller times table because 7 is bigger than 5 and 35 is our lowest common multiple. What I want you to do now is hit pause and find the lowest common multiple of 6 and 10 for me. Right, let's have a look. Multiples of 6. So 6 times table, 6, then 12, add 6, 18, add 6, 24, 30, 36. Good. And 10 times table, well, we're quite happy with that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. And now we're looking for the lowest number that appears in both. 10 doesn't appear in there. 20 doesn't either. 30 does though. 30 is in both the times tables. So our lowest common multiple of 6 and 10 is 30. Hopefully you got that. What I want you to do now is to copy an example for me. Okay, so if you copy the example with the definition, once you've done that, I've got some classwork for you. So hit pause and copy that. When you're ready, hit play again and you can do some classwork. Okay, so for your classwork, you've got these questions. I'm going to attach them to the assignment for you. Okay, good.